What if I told you hackers are not the biggest threat of your bank account? What if the real problem is you clicking the wrong link without knowing the danger behind it? Every day hackers trick thousands of people not by hacking system but by hacking human behavior. You can secure your phone, your app, your bank account, but if you click the wrong email link, all that can be gone in a few seconds. Your knowledge is your first line defense, not your antivirus. Not even your phone or not even the bank. If you ever received a suspicious mail or fake login pages or weird WhatsApp messages, then keep watching because this video is for yours. Welcome to Learn Cybersecurity BD, the place where real knowledge can protect your digital life. Hey, I am Engineer MD Joshimuddin and I'll help you to understand how hackers think not so you can fear them, but so you can beat them at their own games. Let's dive into deep of the most dangerous weapon of hackers, the toolbox, the phishing. So, what phishing and why do hackers love it so much? Hackers use phishing to trick you into giving away their password, banking information or social media credentials without even breaking into a system. They send fake email links that looks real. They create a website that looks exactly like your bank or Facebook login pages, Twitter, TikTok, etc. They send email messages or WhatsApp messages pretending to be from trusted sources. All they need is one thing, your trust. And once you click the fake link and entering the system, boom, it's all gone. Your bank account, your Facebook, your Gmail, TikTok, Twitter, and even your card and credit card. That's why phishing is so devastating. It does not take your system. It does not attack your system. It attacks you. Phishing is cheap, fast, and works 24/7. And the worst part, you might not even know it happened until your money is gone and your social media has been hijacked. This video is made for only education and social awareness purposes. I strongly advise you never use phishing techniques or tools to harm any person's public or private infrastructure. Misusing this knowledge is a crime and unethical behavior has real consequences. Learn this protect for yourself, for your family and for your network, not to harm others. In the next part of the video, I'll move on from the theory to demonstration. I'll show you in computer and mobile devices how attackers create fake login pages using Zphisher. So you can exactly see how these attacks works and how to recognize it and avoid them. Remember, knowledge is your best armor. We came here in our terminal. As you know, I am always try to update my Linux machine, and I am now updating my Linux machine. After updating, I'll upgrade also so that my Linux machine will be updated or upgraded. Look at the screen. I have given the update command and it is been updated, and after that I'll do upgrade so that my Linux machine will be upgraded for the Zphisher apps we want to update and upgrade our machine. So I have been given upgrade command. System been upgrading. It will take some time, so I am pushing my video from now, and after that I am resume the video again, and it is also been updating or upgrading. After 4% upgrading, I will push my video again, and after that upgrading, I came back in my Kali machine and searching Zphisher tool. Here is Zphisher from GitHub. You can find from the first search box. Here the installation process, and I will copy it and paste it in my terminal. I'll getting the permission, so I am getting the root permission from my system. Here I have given paste the command which has taken from the git. So it is cloning from my system. It will take few times as my internet speed. So it's been done and it has been cloned or downloaded to my system. I'll check the path. There is the Zphisher, and I'll go to the folder or directory and install this Zphisher. So I'll into the directory, and after that ls this is the file that we want to install. So how it is being installed, look at the screen, bash zphisher.sh. This command will install the Zphisher tool into the Linux machine. So hitting enter, it will take some time. Here I also push my video again, and as time consumption or time purpose, I'll not going to kill your time anymore. So I am pushing my video again, and after installation I'll come back. So here it is. Now the Zphisher tools has been installed, and it is showing Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal, all the social medias, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, LinkedIn, eBay, all the social media account, and all the account. It's also added Google also here, Yahoo also here, Xbox, GitHub also. So you can find all the phishing, all the social medias here. You can use those techniques to send fake links to gain access to the user account. Look at the screen carefully. I am showing those tools some zoom view. Here is all the tools that you want. So I will use one for Facebook. For Facebook user, I will use one, and there is 4 options: traditional login, advanced pool login pages. So I will use traditional login, and here is asking localhost Cloudflare. It is also, you can use Cloudflare also. I am using service one, and I don't want to change my port. This is the link that facebook.com stands. Just control plus click. Here in my system, look at the screen. Facebook is open. This is the fake page, not the real page. If any user click it and give his username and password, you can grab it from the Zphisher tools. Look at the screen. I am giving the username and password, giving the password, and if I click login, it will redirect to the real page to recover the page. Look at the screen. This is the real page, the real Facebook page, to redirect users or user mind, playing the user mind. So it has been redirected to the Facebook page. Look at the link. This is the real page. So that user never understand it has been faked or not, or he is clicking fake website or fake link or not. Look at the screen. Here is the username and password. Hacker gain access to your system right this way, and he can gain your access or gain your password from this way. Look at the screen. Here you can find the victim's IP. Now we are using another hacking techniques. Zphisher started, and we will use Instagram hacking process, or Instagram phishing process will be the same way, and we will use the option 2. And here is the 3 traditional way: auto follow login pages and 100 follower login pages. We'll use 1000 follower pages for checking or penetration testing. So we are using this 1000 followers login pages. So we will use option 3. Option 3 will be 1000 pages, and we'll use Cloudflare. So I will use the Cloudflare, not localhost. This time I will use Cloudflare service 2. And if I don't use the port number, change the port number. I don't want to change my port number. Port number will be the same, that is 8080. And after that he will asking URL masking, so we are not going to mask anymore. If you need, you can mask your address too. So here is the address, here is the phishing address. So you can copy it, and I am going to copy it to my mobile, to send my mobile from WhatsApp. I just copied it and going to WhatsApp and send it to my mobile. So if someone sending this way, you can open the link from your mobile. This is the mobile screen coming up, and here it is my mobile screen, and after clicking this, it will go through the fake link, and it will looking the same screen, so that user will not notified anything, or don't understand what either it is a real page or not. I am giving the username and password and submitting this, as user like to go this way. Just after submission, it will to make to the Instagram page. So I am not going there. Here is my hacking machine, and look at the screen. I am grabbing the username password from those links. So if someone click or give username and password to the desired website links, I can grab this from this way. I'm going to use Twitter now. So how it is exploit, or how to make phishing links to Twitter. So I'm using Cloudflare here. Don't want to custom the port. System will give me the link to the phishing to the user. I don't want to mask anymore. Here it is. This is the link that I want to send a user, or I want to send my mobile phone. I am going to WhatsApp here and sending this to my mobile, so that I can show you how it's happening in the mobile. After clicking this, user will find this, and it will open the same that Twitter login. So if user login from here, user can give username or number can be and this is the number. This is the example of login number. So I want to give password here. A user can give password from this. Now password have been given, and I have clicking the sign in. After sign in, it will be gone redirect to the original site, and look at the screen. I have found the username and password. This is how any hacker grab your username and password from fake. Before you go, here are 8 essential tips to prevent phishing attacks in your digital life. Number 1. Never click on links from unknown or suspicious sources. Number 2. Double check URL before entering your login information, especially if it looks urgent. Number 3. Use multi-factor authentication (MFA) for email, bank, and social media accounts. Number 4. Update your browser and antivirus regularly. They help to detect unknown phishing sites. Number 5. Avoid downloading attachment from unknown emails. Number 6. Educate your family and colleagues. Phishing often spread through group messages. Number 7. Use a strong, unique password for every account. Number 8. Verify requests for personal or financial information by calling the official sources directly. If this video helpful for you or open your eyes about phishing attacks, then hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss my next video. Share this video with your friends and family. It might just protect someone you care about. Engineer MD Joshimuddin signing off from Learn Cybersecurity BD. Stay safe, stay smart, and always think before you click. Greetings to you all. See you in my next video. Take care.